La 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 la. I know it sucks. Give me a like, okay? Alright guys, I'm pretty sure you can hear my sounds very clearly already. Why? I brought something new. Check it out. Mic. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about mic. Yeah, my sounds right now is much more better than before, right? That's because I brought something new. I brought this one. This is called ROOOAR mic, compact. So it's kind of tiny, that's good for everyone. Basically, it doesn't need any battery. So yeah, it's very convenient. This is called video micro compact on camera microphone. What the heck? This doesn't need any battery requirement, so it's easy for you to carry on. And it's compact size. I know it's a compact size, but the quality of the inside is just so amazing. The mic is come with the fluffy things we call the Deadcat, and it's pretty nice. This is what I like the most. Deadcat, yes, you consider it as a wind blocker. Basically, you don't hear any windy sound. I would say this is the best vlogger mic. You go everywhere, it doesn't require any battery, and it's very small. Honestly, it is very small. But I'm still fair in talking. I guess you guys don't know that I'm actually repeated few times already, and I just choose one of the best one. But most of it is sucks. You know, it's my mic actually is not over there, but it's on my right side. But I don't know, you guys can see it. My side will be like left or right. But you get the idea, mine. Yeah, it's recorded already. It's already 8 minutes, and I still couldn't get the point. The fair reviewer I am. But never mind. I guess no one gonna watch this video, so yeah. This video hit 10k view. I will post something new. Impossible lah, don't even think it. You never try, you never know, okay? Just a clickbait. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But I'm pretty sure you guys not very enjoy it, and you guys not getting any information from this video because I'm very suck at talking. And I kinda get into the point, but I still make some videos because I like it. We'll see you guys in the next video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Anything, if you guys want to leave a hate comment, I quite appreciate it because hater, you know that. You guys watch all my. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe the video. If you guys subscribe, don't forget to click the bell button. Otherwise, you guys gonna get any annoying notification. Yeah, kinda annoying. Alright, I will see you guys in the next time. Hopefully, very soon. Peace out. Give a thumbs up, share to your friend. If you're here for more videos, click here to subscribe.